Nobody likes waking up with a hangover, but it's been revealed Sprite might be the ticket to a speedy recovery after a night of debauchery. I really don't know if this is true, speaking from many nights of debauchery. A team of Chinese scientists found that the fizzy soda performed the best in relieving alcohol-related symptoms. So, obey your hangover? Well, a little while ago I spoke to an expert and they told me when it comes to nausea and headaches and hangovers that excess drinking inflicts, time is really the only cure. Dr. Willenbring, what does greasy food, fast food, actually do for a body that's been binge drinking the night before, and does it help at all?
No, it doesn't do anything at all. They're really, the way to deal with a hangover is to not have one, and to not drink to that degree the night before, because basically your body is telling you it doesn't like what you're doing to it, and there really is no treatment or cure for a hangover the next day except wait it out.
One day there will be a cure for the hangover, and I will be standing at the forefront using that cure. But according to another study by the University of Exeter, anyone drinking tea to help their hangover is doing themselves a disservice. Studies say herbal tea, which is normally considered to be super healthy, actually can slow down the chemical process. Cheers to that news.